iPhone reminders help you stay on top of everything: meetings, calls, errands. But what if they suddenly disappear? Don't panic. In this video, we'll show you 5 easy ways to recover lost or deleted reminders on your iPhone. Way 1. Recover deleted reminder on iPhone from iCloud Backup. Go to iCloud.com and sign in. Click Settings, Advanced, Restore Calendars and Reminders. Choose the latest backup and click Restore. Confirm when prompted to replace current data. Way 2. Restore reminders on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Open iTunes or Finder and connect your iPhone. Click the device icon, Restore Backup. Choose a backup dated before the reminders were deleted, then click Restore. Way 3. Get deleted reminders back on iPhone via email. Go to Settings, Passwords and Accounts. Select your synced account, for example, Google, Yahoo. Turn on Calendars and Reminders. Tap Merge. Check the Reminders app after a while. Way 4. Restore reminders on iPhone using Doctor for iOS. Try Mobican Doctor for iOS. It recovers iPhone reminders from iCloud without erasing existing data even after deletion, upgrade, or device loss. You can preview backups and selectively restore what you need. Step 1. Install this reminder restoring program on your Windows or Mac computer and then launch it. Choose the Recover from iCloud mode from the left side menu and log in with your iCloud account. Step 2. Choose Reminders from the next window and click Next to let the program scan out all backup files in your iCloud. Step 3. Preview all the scanned out reminders and choose those you want. Click Recover to Computer to put the iPhone reminders on your computer. Way 5. Find lost reminders on other iOS devices. Can't find reminders via iCloud or email? Check other Apple devices using the same Apple ID. Your reminders may still be synced there.